Yeah. Are you fucking with me?
That was horrible. If you can jump pad to me, that might help. I can't even get to you. Oh! Oh! I'm goated!
I can't even get to you as an unlimited grappling hook.
Forgot about that.
Fuck. Down here. They're running. They're running. I don't know how he just got his friend up, dude. I just seen him crawling. Oh, there's another person crawling right here. Oh, it must have been one of the decoys running with him.
You're gonna need to put your jump.
Awesome, that's it.
Pop this friend for 60. Oh wait. Oh, I'm goated! I'm an idiot! I killed the one, he's gotta come behind him. Building up, building up.
Dude, there's somebody right in front of us.
Hit him good, got him.
40. Nice.
I'm gonna take the seals real quick. Popper for you if you need it.
No, I'm good.
Gonna reload this RPG real quick. I'm running counter low on mats.
I just got that.
Ah! How you faced through all my builds? That's so stupid! Shit these guys say, bro. Really? Bro, I love when the bots put damage on me. Wait, what?
That's pretty much exactly what they sound like.
Oh, real person! Real person!
Oh, well.
Nope, bot, never mind. Damn, these bots are cracked!
Blue AR here for you.
Ah! Yo!
Get down.
Yo, on me! He faced.
Got him.
Doesn't matter, I'm dead. Oh!
I'm over with you on the field.
Wow, I fucking YOLO'd that. Good shit, though.
That might be a real person. Well, I would rather have a lucky res than be pissed off right now and getting ready to shut off the fucking game.
Oh, look at.
Oh, you guys are fighting somebody else. Jesus. Oh my god. You really thirsty?
No, the guy that
I got two of them. I got two of them, comic.
I just hit one for a lot.
Got him.
Nice. Nice, bro. I get eight kills that game.
I don't think I got any kills that game.
I got 8 kills.
15 kill game.
1 assist, motherfucker.
Attaboy, Justin.
You said I'm with you. I thought that was you. Did that guy really just thirst me when you were right beside him? That was some bull.
Tower in the middle. I don't know why. Oh, yo, someone just jumped into the red box. Oh, that sucks, doesn't it, bro? That is so cracked. Oh my god. That's a person.
That's a person.
Oh, they're fighting, bro.
Yeah, dude, I don't have any.
Hit one for 75.
So you're gonna have to give me a second.
Knocked one. Got another. That guy's knocked. He's rezzing. I do too. I'm just not trying to waste if I don't have to.
I got two on.
Hit one for 75.
And the next circle's quite a ways away.
Oh!
I can't even fucking see these people, and you're knocking them.
Got another.
Where are you shooting?
One was at Pleasant. One was. Dude, someone right underneath us, bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Jesus. They're just chilling right underneath us.
Hit another one for 100.
Oh shit, dude, there's people right here running in the storm.
No, that's the guy I shot for 100. Got one knocked. I think I might die to storm. He's weak.
Fuck, I hate the suppressor there.
Just cause like I want them to fight first. Oh, you put it down?
Oh fuck, yeah, I thought you said we'd need it. It's alright, don't worry about it.
Nah, I might as well hit it. Just get closer. I'm gonna go to the left. Yeah, go to left. Go left. They're fighting on the right.
I'm far left. Oh man.
Hit one for 75. I'm gonna jump head over to them. It's right here. One fell down. Fuck, I almost hit him with that.
Sorry, dude. If I can get 11 health, I'm taking a med kit.
Go for it.
One of them is literally one tap, emptied a full clip of a blue SMG on him.
I have another one on me. Building with me. How'd that not hit?
Oh my god! Yep. Fuck! They're both right on me, dude. I hit them both.
Hit one for 75.
He really just thirsted me. Like you had time to rest me or something. I don't know if they had heals. I hit them hard though, one of them. They don't even know you're there. Nice. Nice, bro. GG's. Oh, that game was entirely you. Oh shit, I gotta get ready for work. Alright, bro.
Hey, 10 eliminations too.
Yeah, not this guy.
That's what I always say. Standing straight with his gun moving all up and down. I was like, what the hell?
That's a knock.
Who's a henchman?
Mm-hmm.
Kill me.
Oh my god.
Help me.
Made it hard.
Oh crap, I have
Got in this one last spot. Oh my god, purple tack shotty for you.
sweet.
I just pulled a gold tack out of. Oh my god, I pulled a scar too. What?
In the bathroom, are we in?
Yo, on me. Jeez.
Out here still, I think.
Bring my card closer to the door.
Got one? Got one? Got him?
Do we?
Got him.
Nice. I just heard shots on the side of his head.
How many kills?
I got it.
I got
Dude, man,
5. Honey, click square. I got 5. Then I had... It says 0, but I know she killed some, so that makes no sense. I literally watched
Yeah,
it.
I killed some too, and all mine says 0.
that's weird.
No, honestly, no, that's definitely, you guys are right, because like we had 11 kills going into that, and it says I had 5 kills too. Got him.
Nice. God damn. My brother.
Oh, wait, here. Got him. Getting shot.
Yeah, from the island.
Oh no, I'm a henchman.
Oh, really?
Yep, they got me. Find you, henchman. That's bad.
These things are brutal.
Oh, meow meow. It's a meow meow. Watch out.
Yeah, I know. Trust me.
He pickaxed me, bro. He was pickaxing me.
I see now. That's hilarious.
Oh, man. Oh, got him.
There's 2 of them down there.
Got him.
There's a whole other team there. I would have been good if I built, but I'm fucking playing like shit today. Nice. I've not seen his other teammate yet.
You good? You good?
Yeah. Oh no, I got jumped from a whole other team! I was box fighting, dude. I fucked them both up. Spray that wall, there's another team. No.
We got another squad to deal with. Oh!
Oh my fucking god. This person literally just phased through all my fucking shit. And they weren't even jumping up and down this fucking thing. Nice. I did pump them, I just fucking, I don't know how to phase through. Oh my god, somebody really, oh my god. Jesus.
Kobe. Oh, I got that actually.